I may have ordered a thing that I waited for like 4 months. I ordered the full set of them because they're blind bags, and I didn't want to risk getting the one I didn't want, so I just bought everything to guarantee it. Okay, keep this open, please. I can't even open it properly, dude. Hi, kewpie babies. Oh boy, I hope I get the one that I want. Scary! Oh, bad! Guess what I have in my hand? Any guesses? A SpongeBob burger! Plankton! I just put them over here. I actually don't like the way SpongeBob is looking at me. Why? You don't like him? Are you gonna say that to his face, that you don't like him? Look at him. Kudo! Look how cute! It's so tiny too. Like, it literally just like fits into my palm. Okay. Back in the plastic you go. Ta-da! Hinata! Next. 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 Open! Our little birds, and he has this little hair. I love haikyuu. Yeah. I think by chance I was like scrolling and I saw a picture of them, and like I went in like a frenzy, like trying to like, I was like, I'll do anything to like get my hands on these, and then I searched for so long. I searched for so long and I made it happen. This is oikawachi, the most uninteresting unboxing stream ever. There he is, Mokuto. Can you focus? Focus. I love them. Wait, he has to be with his boyfriend. Wow. You okay? You know, honestly, I don't know which one is which. Osamu's the one with the gray hair, right? And then the blonde hair is Atsumu. I am a fake haikyuu fan. My cat is very intrigued by you opening these. I'm glad. Wait, this is the second to last one. So that means it's either Osamu or Kenma. It's gonna be Kenma. Osamu! Kewpie baby. I wonder who it from. Kenma, we just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. I wonder who it's from. So let's free all of them. I love how like everybody has like a pair. And then Oikawa is just a tree. And he's just here, like... Yay! Cereal! I also ordered 3 more because they are not for me. I'm hoping that she doesn't get like the ones that she doesn't want. Knock on wood. I don't know what else to do. I think we're done here. Yum. Wait, Minecraft be like, cut. I'm back. Nothing happened. We're up. Cut. Wait, I should do like hold on, I got something. And that's it for this video, guys. If you liked, be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, be part of the notification squad. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Ready for this? I'm so funny. Oops, all cats. Yo, what if I played Subway? Alright, guys. Let's play Subway Surfers. So, oh! There we go. Bye.